Coping is a critical aspect of construction. It involves adding a protective cover to exposed edges of walls, parapets, and other structural elements. This protects them from weather damage. Think of it as a shield against rain, snow, and ice. Coping prevents water from seeping into the structure, ensuring its longevity. Coping is important for several reasons. First, it safeguards the structural integrity of a building. Water infiltration can weaken materials over time. This can lead to costly repairs. Second, coping enhances the aesthetic appeal of a building. It provides a clean, finished look to walls and roofs. There are various types of coping materials available. These include concrete, stone, metal, and clay. Each material has its own advantages and aesthetic qualities. The choice of material depends on the specific project requirements and desired look. Mastering coping techniques is crucial for any construction professional. Accuracy and precision are paramount. Proper installation ensures a watertight seal and a visually appealing finish. One important technique is measuring and cutting the coping material accurately. This requires careful planning and the use of appropriate tools. Another key aspect is ensuring proper alignment and leveling during installation. This prevents water from pooling on the surface. Proper jointing is essential for a seamless and durable finish. Mortar joints should be filled completely and tooled smoothly. This prevents water penetration and enhances the aesthetic appeal. Construction is a demanding field. Long hours, tight deadlines, and unexpected challenges can take a toll on workers' mental health. It's important to acknowledge and address stress in construction. One effective strategy is to promote work-life balance. Encourage workers to take breaks and utilize vacation time. Another approach is to foster a supportive work environment. Open communication and teamwork can help alleviate stress. Providing access to mental health resources is also essential. This could include employee assistance programs or on-site counseling services. Section 4. Essential tools for effective coping. Having the right tools is crucial for successful coping installation. These tools ensure accuracy, efficiency, and safety. A tape measure is essential for taking precise measurements. A level ensures the coping is installed evenly. A masonry saw is used to cut coping material to the desired size. Safety glasses and gloves are also important for protecting workers during the installation process. Section 5. Quality control. The cornerstone of successful coping. Quality control is paramount in every stage of construction, and coping is no exception. Regular inspections and adherence to standards ensure a durable and long-lasting installation. Inspectors should check for proper material quality, accurate measurements, and proper jointing. Any deficiencies should be addressed promptly to prevent future problems. Documentation is also crucial for quality control. Keep records of materials used, installation dates, and any inspections conducted. Section 6. Conclusion. Building a better future with effective coping. Effective coping techniques are essential for constructing durable, safe, and aesthetically pleasing structures. By prioritizing quality control, utilizing the right tools, and addressing worker well-being, we can ensure the longevity and success of our construction projects. Remember, a well-executed coping job not only protects a building, but also reflects the skill and dedication of the construction professionals involved. By embracing best practices and continuously seeking improvement, we can build a better future, one coping stone at a time.